So your laptop lights are on, but the laptop is refusing to boot. So just follow these steps to fix the issue right away. So this is all what you need to do. Just turn to the back of your laptop, and this little screw here, yes, you screw it up, and then you open this. So you open this part of your laptop. So this is the RAM. This is the RAM. So just take out the RAM. And look for an eraser. Get an eraser. This is the eraser. So you erase the shining parts of the RAM, this particular place. You erase it. You clean it with the eraser. So you clean it very well with the eraser. So this problem, it usually happens when there is dirt on the RAM. Yes. So this is what you do. You turn it over to the other side. You clean it as well. You should be very cautious and very careful when cleaning this. So just clean it with an eraser. You can see the dirt has been located there. So clean it very well. So when you're done cleaning, you fix it back into your laptop. Fix it gently back into your laptop. Just put it in and press it down. And you cover it up. We fix the cable here, and you press the button. So you can see the light is on and the screen is also on. The screen is also on. So from here, just press the enter key. So you'd have to set the time and the date. So quickly do that and press save and exit, as you can see, or just press the F10 key. So when your time and date has been set, just press that or F10 key and then click on yes, and voila, your laptop is now on. So this is just a simple step to carry out to turn on your or to boot your laptop whenever there is a screen blackout, like the laptop is not turning on but then the lights are on. So as you can see clearly, the laptop is now on. So I think this should be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech content.